Euro against US dollar. This week has started the week with this bullish candle, and the price has reached the resistance level at 1.03981. From here, the price bounced back down and reached the first support level at 1.02664, and it has formed a bearish breakout on the Friday. We can see that currently the week has closed as a bearish candle, where the price is trying to move slightly down, and we can see that currently there is room for the price to move even further down. The monthly time frame shows me that we are currently in the 4th month as a bearish month, but it is still open. It is almost a middle of the month, so we will not make any conclusions right here. I will go to the daily time frame, which shows much more clear information for now where the next stop is, and that is around 1.01054. Will that happen? Well, this is a bearish breakout on a Friday, so there is a potential that on the Monday the price will invalidate this bearish breakout as a valid one, but I am giving more significance to this area of a bearish breakout because it is continuation of the 3 days before that, which means a selling pressure is still active, and also this area where the buyers have waited, they have not pushed the price back up, which means there is now enough buying pressure here to push the price again to the higher price levels. So for now I'm expecting that the price will drop down again, targeting the lower levels, but I will see also on the 4-hour time frame how the price behaves. We can see that this is a bearish breakout that has been confirmed on the 4-hour time frame, which means further decline in value. So that's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.